In today's video, I'm going to share with you the truth about YouTube. The stuff that people don't tell you. The highs, the lows, the in-between bits, the stuff that gets in here, the stuff that gets in here. So if that's something that's going to interest you, then obviously smash the like button, staying around, and all that great stuff. And we'll just dive straight into it. Because do you want to start a YouTube channel? Do you want to build an online business? Do you want to build a personal brand? Or do you want none of those things, but you would like the outcome of this lifestyle where you can spend more time with your children, you can do the school run, you can go to the parents' evenings, you can book a holiday at a whim, you can take your daughter to the football like I am this weekend to watch Manchester United in the FA Cup final? Or do you just want to be able to just say, you know what, I don't want to be slave to anybody else. I don't want another boss. Because that's how I felt, and that's how I got into this whole world of online business. But let me just tell you a quick story, because it took me a while to get here. So I want to take away 12 years of pain for you so you can do it today and really, really quite quickly. So I left the police. You know, that was my dream job. And from the police, I then went into working in radio, the world of corporate. And I used social media to build a personal brand because I had a horrible database and I needed a way to sell radio. But what I found was that people were struggling with social media, and I was learning as I go, using it on myself, implementing, sharing the highs, the lows, the wins, the failures, and all that stuff. Well, you've got all of that within you. And if you think of the experiences that you've been through, you can take those and you can transfer them into content. You can share the failures if you're brave enough. You can share the transformation and you can share those successes, because that's what the world of the online world is craving right now. And the truth behind YouTube is this, is it's not easy. It is hard, but you can make it easier. You can simplify it. Do you remember those, I'm not sure if it was it Super Mario? Well, not simplify. They were like, you know, you're like a boost or a turbo thing, and you jumped on a star or something and a mushroom popped out, or you jumped on a mushroom and a star. I don't know. I was Sega rather than Nintendo. Let me know what you were in the comments. But at the end of the day, you've got so much wisdom within you and so much knowledge, skills, and expertise that, you know what, you could turn it into anything you want. Maybe you just need a guide. I'd love to be your guide. There's a link around here to come and join the Heart Brand Insider newsletter. And with that, you get an invitation into my Heart Brand Creator Circle community. Come and join us and hang out, because you'll get more of this before everybody else on YouTube does. Why am I sharing this with you, and why is it so important? Well, the thing is, I want to share the truth behind YouTube, because there's so much going around, and I'm sharing it from my experience, my you know, what I've lived through with YouTube. And when I started YouTube, it was difficult. But I did make, with my first video, I did make a sale. Okay, it's about $400. Because what I did was, the first video that I created was taken through my years of running my social media agency, Big Daddy Digital. And I took the pains that were coming through the Facebook group, which was getting on camera, not feeling confident, not wanting to make video. And I'd made a course for those people, but we'd done some test runs first. So when I came to YouTube, it was a video about how to get comfortable on camera in only 2 minutes a day. I'll link up to that around here, or I'll show you the thumbnail or something will pop up. But what I did was I then created the course, because, you know, a lot of people, especially in the online world, they'll think, if I make a video about it, nobody will buy the program. Well, you can only put so much into a video. You can't put, like, I've got 25 small videos. You can't put 25 videos into a YouTube video, but you can give the principles and the premise and a way for people to get started. And then if they want more support, or they want some proximity to you, then you offer them, you invite them to have a look at the program. That is a very nice, sincere, and honest way of doing YouTube, and any other social media platform, because when you're ramming things down people's throats that they don't want, or they don't need, or they're not aware that they need, then it all feels icky and salesy, and that's not very comfortable. So when you create the content and help people, and if they're searching for that you know, that camera confidence, or that how to get good on camera, or how to make a video, or how to make a YouTube video, and then my video pops up, they watch the content, I give them the tools to start, and then if they want further support, because a lot of people do, they're looking for people to hold their hand, or stand by them on the bus, or sit by them on the bus, I should say, or walk alongside them, then that's where your program comes into place. So whilst YouTube is difficult, whilst it's not easy, you can make it easy and you can certainly profit from day one. So that's the first lesson I wanted to share with you. You can profit from day one. A lot of people say you shouldn't put any links or sell anything in your first video. You should do 10 or 20 videos first and get all, you got to do what's right for you. Yes, make 10 videos. Yes, make 20 videos. Yes, get good and comfortable on camera. But if you've got knowledge, wisdom, skill, and expertise, you've got a product sat there, why leave it sitting there? If you could help somebody, you'd be doing them a disservice if you didn't invite them to have a look at it, in my humble opinion. So that's the first truth. The second truth, I suppose, is this. You ain't going viral. You're not going viral. And don't come to the world of YouTube thinking that I'm going to get out there, I'm going to put a video out and the world are going to love it and I'm going to make a gazillion dollars from AdSense. Because I think that's the quickest way to go broke if you're relying on the platform. It's like any other platform. They then control you whilst you want to control your own destiny. You want to know where you're going. So for me, I think the next one is don't worry about virality, look about value. I'll say that again. Don't worry about virality, but lean into giving value. And I know it's a cliche, but cliches exist because they are actually true. So why not lean into truth? There's an eye-opening thing. Honesty on the internet. So if you're not going to go viral, what are you going to do? Be found. Allow people to search for you. Create content around the things that you know, the things that you've lived through, your experience, your knowledge, your wisdom, in the depths of you. Then if you're making search content, you're creating evergreen content, people that can find over time, and you can drop those links to your products and your services and your newsletter and your lead magnets and all of that great marketing stuff. Because whilst there's a lot of bro marketing out there, if you do it in an honest and ethical way, all of the principles are still the same. It's how you deliver, it's how you show up, and that is what's making a real, I'm not even going to say comeback, so I don't think it ever happened. It's always been rah, 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 rah. But now there's been a shift in the world. There's been a shift in the entire universe. We know through what's going on through politics that we want honesty, integrity, rather than all this stuff. So focus on value over virality. Now, I'm going to share a mistake with you. I made a mistake, I believe, in my YouTube world by reducing the level of videos that I was putting out at the start of 2025. But what I did, which was the best thing I could have done, was focused on the clients that had bought from me. So let's go back to, where are we? November. And I'd had somewhere around 6,000 or 7,000 subscribers. I'd had this growth spurt from a viral video, a breakout video. And to give you the tip on that viral video was creating, I suppose it was controversial because it was, don't niche down, you are the niche. And I believe you are the niche. And I'll go into that in a video. Actually, I'll link around that so you can have a look. But what happened then was I got an influx of subscribers because it was a different thought around a popular topic. It wasn't that intentional. It was just, that's what I believe. Something sparked my curiosity and interest. So I made a video about it. So it's like, why don't people know this? And that was around the summer. So we're coming up to like the anniversary of that video now. And then that brought in an influx of subscribers and viewers and what have you. And because I went from 500 to 1,000 quite quickly off the back of that video. It can happen with one video. I'd put 20 or 30 out, if not more, before that. Okay. So time, invest, consistency. But when I got round to the sort of the autumn, the October, November time, I had an aim. My aim was to get to 10,000 subscribers by Christmas. But what happened through standing in my own power through that, that viral video, that outlier, if you will, that lucky video, because it was lucky video. It was the same type and style of content I'm sharing with you right now. It's just, it sparked intrigue and curiosity through the title and the thumbnail. Off the back of that, more and more people booked in to have a call with me, and I was doing discovery calls anyway. And then once we had the program outlined for the Heart Brand Blueprint, I invited those people who I'd helped to come back and have a call with me. As a result, fast forward, $40,000 launch. We had the Courage Before Confidence program that was making $12,000 to $15,000 a month. So what was that? About $55,000, $60,000. We're heading that way in course sales and coaching sales. Fabulous, I hear you say. Fabulous. When I launched Cohort 2, I had to reduce the amount of videos I was doing to look after Cohort 2, and Cohort 1 still needed some support also. So the mistake that I made was not allowing for these videos and not getting ahead. You hear this thing around batching your content. I'm actually doing it right now. This is the third video that I've made this morning. They're all on frequently asked questions. They're all on search terms. They're all on pain points within my community. So I'm able to sit here, follow my hamster framework and go with it. And if you've not seen or heard of the hamster framework, just put hamster. It's HMSTA, not the animal hamster, and I'll get you the video and we'll get you some information about it. But ultimately, I'm following that system, the hook, the mindset, the story, which I'm telling you now, some teaching points. I'm interlinking the teaching points and the stories, and then there'll be an action step for you guys to take. And that action step is, if you're enjoying this, you want more content like this, real, in the moment, riffy type content, then smash the like button, subscribe, and there'll be a link to come and join the newsletter and the community. And I've got some great free gifts in there for you, like the personal brand playbook and the Video Velocity Express program, so you can start making videos literally in 45 minutes. And then there's a special secret playlist for you, but you need to come and join the community to get that. So look at consistency. That's the message here, consistency. And I think a great consistency and cadence is one video a week. If you can get to more, fantastic, but work within your capacity. That's the next truth. And now I want to wrap it up with this. The fourth truth, if you will, is don't follow these big YouTubers and try and model all of their, they've got a million subscribers, I must be like them. Look at the smaller channels. Look at what they're doing. Look at their outlier videos. Look at the people with 10,000 subscribers, but they've got like 500,000 views, because they're the ones that are taking risks. They're the ones that are trying things. They're the ones that, no holds barred. I'm taking risks with this video. There's no script. I'm following my framework, but I'm sharing my knowledge, my skills, my wisdom, and my expertise over 12 years of experience. And I'm giving it to you in the way in which I do this. Now, I built my business doing this over on Facebook, but prior to Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn. Twitter, short videos on Twitter, when it was, what was it called at the time? Periscope. That's a blast from the past. But it's always been video for me. And over time, I've practiced in private and got better for the public. So don't think about modeling bigger channels. Look at the smaller ones who, are taking risks and are being more personal and being more honest, because you know what? Us people in the smaller channel world right now are taking the risks, are showing up honestly, are showing up authentically. And I'm having $40,000 launches. The second cohort is about $25,000, $30,000 launch. I never made this money when I was working in the police. I was never able to help this many people on a personal level. So I'm doing a better job serving the world now than I was as a police officer, and I'm being rewarded for that service. And that's what I want to help you guys with. So around here, there'll be a link to the newsletter, a link to the community. It's only one link. It's all the same, but you'll get access to the personal brand playbook. You'll get access to my Video Velocity Express course completely free. You'll get access to that secret playlist. You'll get access to the newsletter and the community, and you'll get access to proximity to me if you want to come and hang out, because YouTube's just got easier. Social media has just got easier. The whole internet has just got easier. Online business has just got easier because I'm offering these things to you. And the guys in there right now, they love it. They're really, really enjoying it. The Heartbrand Blueprint, the Creator Circle, the Video Lab, everything. So my friends, enjoy, take care. Watch this next video next, because YouTube's telling you it's the one you need to see, not me. Much love. Big Daddy out.